Today we are going to have with us actor Kranti Prakash Shah, who played Vijay Singh in MX original series Raktanchal. The web series is set in 1980s Purvanchal and revolves around the power struggle in a time when development work was distributed through tenders. We are going to talk to him and know his experience shooting for the series.
We are going to talk about the character
Yeah.
Vijay Singh, so how easy, how hard it was for you to play it and to get yourself adapted with it.
See, I'm a very non-violent person. In real life, also, I'm a spiritual person. I follow spirituality. I practice yoga every day. So for me to relate with that violence was very difficult because you don't have any reference for that because you have never done any violence. I'm not able to even kill a fly. I'm that much of non-violent person in my own life. But I could relate with Vijay Singh only till the point where Vijay Singh was a very loving son towards his family, and he wanted to serve his nation, and he wanted to become an IAS IPS officer. And me, I'm also from Bihar. So like every Bihari, I have also given my UPSC exams once. I wanted to become an IPS officer, but as they say that man proposes and God disposes. So the planning was done, the design was done by the God, and I came to Bombay. So I could relate with Vijay Singh only till that point of time. But after that incident happens in Vijay Singh's life, then the kind of Vijay Singh he turns into, I don't relate with that. So for me to get that, sur correct, every character, every role has a sur. When I say sur, तो हर एक पात्र जो होता है, हर एक किरदार जो होता है, उसका एक सुर लगा होता है. So somehow I was able to figure it out in my own head, and I had quarantined myself before quarantine. I had completely quarantined myself in the month of November for almost like 2.5, 3 weeks. Because I wanted to get into the skin of the character. Then I made some backstories. How would Vijay Singh behave? How would I behave if my father gets killed? So all that kind of backstories. Then I taken that backstories to my director Ritam Srivastav, and I'm really thankful to Ritam and my producer Shashank and the channel MX Player. They all liked what I had thought of, what I had envisioned Vijay Singh in my own head. But yeah, journey was very difficult, and especially while shooting in Banaras, every day was very intense. I mean, every day have you seen the Raktanchal? So, you know that.
Totally yet, but surely would see after talking to you.
Please do that. I'll be very happy. So, every day was so intense. So, by the time I used to come back to the hotel, I was exhausted because Vijay Singh has a very, gamut of emotions. His father gets killed and he has to take revenge. So, yeah, it was a tough journey, but by the grace of God and by the wishes of all my people out there, I mean, I could sail through. So thank you so much, everyone. Thank you.
Okay. So, working with Nikitin, like,
Yeah.
did he feel overshadowed or you felt overshadowed? Like, on two strong characters on one screen?
No one felt overshadowed because everyone we know. I knew that what Vijay Singh's graph is, and Nikitan must have known what Wasim Khan's graph is, and we have known each other for a very long time now. I mean, I'm not his 3 a.m. friend, and he's not mine, but we hold each other in very high respect and high regards. So we used to meet in the gym, and then we used to not talk that much because we used to take that thing from Mumbai to Banaras. So we purposely maintained that. And after packup, we used to have great time with each other, and no one got overshadowed here because people are loving Raktanchal, and Raktanchal is not Vijay Singh's or not Wasim Khan's. Raktanchal is everyone's. So there is not even a single person who has said that you overshadowed him or he overshadowed me. We both were, it's like different branches of one tree, and the tree's name is Raktanchal.
Okay. So, there are speculations that season 2 would be out. So,
Yeah.
about it?
मैं ये बताऊं सीजन 2 आने वाला है या नहीं?
हाँ.
अरे नहीं बिल्कुल भाई, अच्छा है, बहुत लोगों को काम मिलेगा, पापी पेट का सवाल है, तो सीजन 2 जरूर आना चाहिए. But I mean, you believe you me, from 89th May onwards, the amount of messages which I have got, not only for Vijay Singh, but the pertinent question is, हिंदी में कहावत है यक्ष प्रश्न, अगर आपने सुना होगा कभी, तो यक्ष प्रश्न ये है कि सीजन 2 कब आएगा. तो I guess channel would be able to give the right picture, but very soon. We all are at it.
Okay, अच्छा, कुछ बातें चल रही हैं उस बारे में?
जी.
Okay. आपकी कोई अपकमिंग प्रोजेक्ट्स जो शायद बेशक सी बात है कि इसमें देखा होगा काफी लोगों ने आपको, बहुत सारे
हाँ
प्रोड्यूसर्स
हाँ,
डायरेक्टर देखा होगा, तो जरूर आपको अप्रोच किया होगा।
कुछ लोगों के मैसेजेस आए हैं बट अभी तक कुछ कॉन्क्रीट नहीं है बिकॉज ऑफ द लॉकडाउन. बट आई एम डूइंग अ फिल्म फ्रॉम वन ऑफ द बिगेस्ट प्रोड्यूसर्स or production houses of our country, and it's been directed by one of the greatest scholars of our country. It's a period drama film, and I'm playing a warrior. I mean, that much I can divulge about this right now. But yeah, maybe future is looking brighter. You can say that
Okay.
by the grace
Okay.
of God.
Okay, what do you have to say about this, OTT platforms and movies? You have your both experiences quite a lot. So,
Yeah.
which platform you enjoy the most working
For
with?
an actor, I mean, any platform which gives you a chance to showcase your talent or potential or your hard work. So for me, any platform would do. But I'm really thankful to OTT platform, especially MX Player, that this I had wanted. I had been wanting to do this kind of role for a very long time. But somehow, in the films, because films are very different field altogether. Because there is different mounting, then so much of money involved. Then theater gives you a different kind of high. Television gives you a different kind of
Right.
high. But all these mediums, I was not able to figure out that how could I get a role like this, Vijay Singh. So because of the OTT,
Right.
I'm very grateful that I could do Vijay Singh and Vijay Singh could come to me. So I'm really grateful to all these OTT platforms, people like, Jaideep sir, then Pankaj Tripathi bhaiya. So all these people, I mean, films are films because you have different, factors playing in films. But when you see Kalin bhaiya, when you see Hathiram, when you see Hathoda Tyagi, or when you see Vijay Singh, so these are all outcome of these OTT platforms. So now people, especially in films, they should also take notice of, talent being showcased in OTT platforms, and they should take notice of it. That's what I can say.
Yeah. And what do you have to say कि censorship का कहीं ना कहीं OTT platforms में थोड़ा अलग है हिसाब, तो क्रिएटिविटी को एक अलग मायने में दिखा पाते हैं, तो आपका क्या कहना है इस बारे में? क्या एज एन एक्टर आपको कितना अच्छा लगता है ये चीज, या कितना फर्क पड़ता है आपको?
See, to each his own. I mean, if which is very important for to the part of narrative, then I can totally feel that that's a part of narrative, so you can totally showcase that. But if you are कहते नहीं कि जानबूझ के बेचने के लिए ठूसना, वो मुझे भी, मतलब अगर आप देखें तो हमारे रक्तांचल में गालियां बहुत हैं. गालियां क्योंकि पूर्वांचल में गालियां वैसी होती हैं, पर कहीं भी स्किन शो नहीं है. आप देखेंगे तो कहीं भी आपको स्किन शो नहीं दिखेगा, कहीं भी वो उस तरह की वल्गैरिटी नहीं दिखेगी. तो हर का अपना, आई मीन, एंड एवरीवन टू ईच हिज ओन यार. People should respect restraint also and others' feelings also. But if it's part of narrative, then why not? I mean, creative freedom is very important यार. It's very important. अगर मुझे सिगरेट पीना दिखाना है तो मुझे धुआं निकलता हुआ दिखना चाहिए. धुएं को मैं ब्लर नहीं कर सकता. वही है कि अगर वो नैरेटिव का पार्ट है तो कुछ भी चलेगा यार, कुछ भी चलेगा.
ओके. ओके, सो क्रांति, अगर आपसे मैं कुछ फेवरेट्स जानना चाहूँ तो कैसा रहेगा?
क्या जानना चाहें?
आपके फेवरेट्स.
मेरे फेवरेट एक्टर्स.
मैं फेवरेट काफी सारी चीजें पूछूंगा, तो आपको जवाब.
हाँ, प्लीज गो अहेड.
ओके, सो आपको खाने में सबसे ज्यादा क्या पसंद है?
अरे, माँ के हाथ का बना हुआ भात दाल, हमारे बिहार में कहते हैं भात दाल, और आलू का भुजिया, चटनी, थोड़ा सा अचार, और आलू का चोखा और पापड़, बस. वेरी सिंपल. विच मूवी इज माय फेवरेट? अरे, देयर आर लॉट ऑफ देम. आई मीन, एक नाम नहीं ले सकता मैं. It's impossible for me to take one single name. There are so many from 60s, from 50s. I have been a very big film buff.
You can take multiple names.
हाँ, तो मैं दो नाम लेना चाहूंगा because I have dedicated my Vijay Singh to the Vijay Singh to Vijay of Trishul, done by Mr. Amitabh Bachchan, and Vijay Dinanath Chauhan, done by again Mr. Amitabh Bachchan. He is like I mean, वो कहते नहीं दिए को आप क्या दिखाओ, शुरू को आप क्या दिया दिखाओगे. पर मेरी बहुत इच्छा है कि मैं उनसे एक बार भेंट कर सकूं, उनको बता सकूं कि सर, ये विजय सिंह आप ही की तरफ से कहीं ना कहीं इधर आया है.
ओके. फेवरेट को स्टार कौन रहा है आपका?
Favorite co-star throughout my career or in this Raktanchal?
Throughout your career.
I guess Sushant. I had a great time working with him.
Okay,
Yes.
MS Dhoni के बाद.
Yeah, MS Dhoni, yes. And all the friends,
Okay.
all the three friends.
Who's your favorite actor?
Favorite actor, again, I can't take a single name, from Mr. Balraj Sahni to Mr. Shammi Kapoor, then to Mr. Amitabh Bachchan, then Mr. Shah Rukh Khan, then Mr. Salman Khan, Mr. Amir Khan, because they have been part of our growing, I mean, when I was growing up. So वो कहते नहीं कि एक आपके बड़े होने का एक जिंदगी का हिस्सा बन जाते हैं. माधुरी दीक्षित हो, तो वो हम लोगों की उस बड़े होने का हिस्सा है. तो all these people, I mean, I look up to their work, and I wish I could, get a chance to work with all of them, especially Mr. Bachchan. That'll be like a dream come true.
Okay. Favorite song अगर आपका कोई हो जो आपको बहुत पसंद हो, आप गुनगुनाते
Again, एक नहीं है, बहुत सारे हैं, पर एक गाना बहुत अच्छा लगता है. बहुत सारे गाने हैं तो उसमें, लेकिन एक गाना क्योंकि जिंदगी से बहुत जुड़ता हूँ हर चीज को. नदियाँ चले चले रे धारा, तुझको चलना होगा. जीवन कहीं भी संभलता नहीं
थोड़ा
है.
गा दे. फैंस बहुत खुश
अरे
होंगे. Fans
बंधु,
खुश
मैं
हो
गा
जाएंगे
नहीं
आपको
पाऊंगा.
गाते हुए.
मैं गाना बहुत खराब गाता हूँ. मेरी आवाज इज लाइक फटे बांस की तरह है. बांस इज बैम्बू. तो वो मैं गाना अच्छा नहीं गा पाता. लेकिन हाँ, लाइनें बहुत अच्छी हैं कि नदियाँ चले चले रे धारा, तुझको चलना होगा, तुझको चलना होगा. एक तो ये गाना है, और दूसरा गाना हमारी माता जी को भी बहुत अच्छा लगता है. हम दोनों साथ में सुनते भी हैं कभी कभी. एक प्यार का नगमा है, और क्या है, एक प्यार का नगमा है, जिंदगी और कुछ नहीं, तेरी मेरी कहानी है. तो अमूमन मैं इस तरह के गाने अपनी माँ को डेडिकेट करता हूँ. लोग अपनी गर्लफ्रेंड्स के लिए करते हैं, अपने अपने पतियों के लिए करते हैं, अपने बॉयफ्रेंड्स के लिए करते हैं, पर मैं इस तरह के गाने अपनी माँ को डेडिकेट कर देता हूँ. तो हाँ, ये गाने हैं.
अरे ओके. फेवरेट पास टाइम क्या है? जब आप फ्री रहते हैं तो क्या कुछ करते हैं?
योगा से होगा. Then sometimes I do nothing. I just sit idle. I practice silence. I sit idle. Then I write something. I mean, I have in this quarantine, in this lockdown, I have found something about myself, and everyone should definitely use this silent time. So I found about myself that I could write well. तो मैं लिखने लगा हूँ, और कुछ कविताएं मैंने लिख के अपने सोशल मीडिया पे पोस्ट भी की हैं, इंस्टाग्राम पे और फेसबुक पे. तो वो मेरी खोज थी अपने बारे में. तो किताबें पढ़ता हूँ, कुछ देख लेता हूँ, पर मुझे खाली बैठना बहुत अच्छा लगता है. Just do nothing. Just sit with yourself.
Okay.
Because I love my company. I love my company.
ओके. क्रांति, अगर कुछ पंक्तियां हो जाए आपकी कविता की तो.
अरे वो तो अभी तो याद नहीं है बंधु, क्योंकि वो लिख के फिर दिमाग से निकल जाता है. लेकिन क्या लिखा था मैंने लिखा था, जो भी फ्रंट लाइन वॉरियर्स हैं हमारे, चाहे वो पुलिस वाले हों, चाहे हमारी नर्सेज हो, चाहे हमारे डॉक्टर्स हों, तो उसमें लिखा था कि शायद, हाँ, अभी याद नहीं है. आई एम सो सॉरी, अभी याद नहीं है. अगर आप देखना चाहें तो मेरे
फॉर द कंटेक्स्ट, मेरे ख्याल से ये काफी अच्छा मोटिवेशन होगा लोगों को जाकर आपका वो पोएम देखना, जिन्होंने.
जी बिल्कुल.
ओके. इसी के साथ आप यहाँ आए उसके लिए बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद, और इसी के साथ आप प्रोग्रेस करते रहे और हम आपसे मिलते रहे.
थैंक यू सो मच. और जाते जाते विजय सिंह का डायलॉग बहुत आजकल फेमस हुआ है, उसके मीम्स बन रहे हैं बहुत सारे. तो वो गीता में भगवान कृष्ण जब अर्जुन को कहते हैं कि जब अर्जुन जो है वो घबराते हैं कि मैं कैसे अपनों का वध कर सकता हूँ जो मेरे अपने रिश्तेदार हैं, तो भगवान कहते हैं कि जो विजय सिंह ने भी कहा है रक्तांचल में, कट्टा और सीमा को, तो भगवान श्री कृष्ण कहते हैं अर्जुन से कि तू करता वो है जो तू चाहता है, और होता वह है जो मैं चाहता हूँ. फिर तू कर वो जो मैं चाहता हूँ, फिर होगा वो जो तू चाहता है. तो थैंक यू so much for having me, and wish to see you soon, very soon. And thank you for all the love, to all the audience, to all the people who have loved Raktanchal and Vijay Singh. Vijay Singh जो भी है, क्रांति प्रकाश जो भी है, वो सब आपके प्यार की वजह से है. तो keep them coming. I am really very grateful. Thank you. Thank you, Rajat.
Pleasure having you.
Thank you. Bye. Bye.
What do you think about this video? Do let us know in the comment sections below. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe to Daily Chakkar for more such updates.
Know all about the Tele world by subscribing to Tele Chakkar's YouTube channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to stay updated to our new videos.